This tutorial is going to show you how to take one shape and split it into two halves so you can see what's inside. It lets you make a cross section. Let's figure out how to do it.
Okay, so we have a shape here that is hollow. You can see that it's hollow, but let me make it back to a solid just for clarity. And what we want to do is to be able to cut this in half. Here's how you do it. The first move is to make a copy of it. So Control or Command D. And I'm going to use the arrow keys so that these stay lined up. That's going to make this a lot easier later. All right, so I got my two copies. We're going to use a hole shape to split them in half. So I'll grab a box hole, click on my first shape, and I'm going to look and see that it is 20 millimeters wide. And so what I want to do is make this so it cuts it in half. So I'm going to take my hole, divide by 2. It's 10 millimeters wide. And let's just take this and line it up. And I'm going to extend it so it goes beyond the ends. I want to make sure I cut everything off. And before I do anything else, I'm going to make a copy of the hole, Command or Control D. Use the arrow keys again for precision and move it up and out of the way. Now, let's group the first two shapes only. The first box and the first hole, I'm selecting them both, going up to the Group or Union tool, click it, and you can see I cut that one in half. Now for this, I want the opposite half, right? The other side, because what if they were different? I know in this case they're the same, but what if they were different? So I'm going to do that. Let me orbit around so you can see. I've got both halves selected now. Select, click, group, and here we have our two halves of a box cut cleanly in half. Thanks for watching and have a great day.